students, how are you all? I hope that you are great. Today I am going to teach some basics of English language. First, let's revise the alphabet which we studied in the previous class. See, alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the alphabets. And these alphabets are divided into vowels and consonants. Let us learn the vowels first. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Say with me. A, E, I, O, U. Say what are these? These letters are called vowels. Vowels help the words to sound clearly. Without them, you can't pronounce or utter a word properly. So, vowels are the most important letter to form a word. Now, let's learn about consonant. There are totally 21 letters. Say with me. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Say again. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, shall we find out the vowels from these words? Listen, find out the vowels from these words. First one, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Which is the vowel? A and E are the vowels in this word. There are two vowels in this word. Second one, B-A-L-L, ball. Which is the vowel? A is the vowel in this word. Third one, C-A-T, cat. A is the vowel in this word. Fourth one, D-O-G, dog. Which is the vowel? O is the vowel in this word. Fifth one, E-G-G, egg. Which is the vowel in this word? E is the vowel in this word. Let us find out the consonant from these words. See the chart. Find out the consonant from these words. First one, S, C, H, O, O, L, school. Here we all know that O is the vowel. So, other the word S, C, H, L are the consonant in this word. See second one, B, A, G, bag. A is the vowel in this word. So, B and G are the consonant in this word. Here, B, O, O, K, book. B and K are the consonant in this word. Here, P, E, N, C, I, L, pencil. Here, P, N, C, L are the consonant in this word. N, O, T, E, note. N and T are the consonant in this word. Group of letters are called words, and each word has different number of letters. Some words are formed with 2 letters, some with 3 letters, some with 4 letters, and so on. Now let us learn the 2-letter words first. Here 2-letter words. I-N, in. I-T, it. A-N, an. U-P, up. G-O, go. O-N, on. Say again. I-N, in. I-T, it. A-N, an. U-P, up. G-O, go. O-N, on. Now let us learn some of the 3-letter words. 3-letter words. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. R-A-T, rat. S-U-N, sun. D-O-G, dog. Say with me again. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. R-A-T, rat. S-U-N, sun. D-O-G, dog. These are the 3-letter words and these are the 2-letter words. A group of letters are called words. Likewise, a group of words formed in correct order and which makes sense is called a sentence. For example, she is a teacher. I am a student. These are the sentences. Now let us learn nouns. The name of a person, place and thing are called naming words or nouns. Say, what is meant by noun? A name of a person, place and thing. This is noun. Here are some examples. Varun, Rajesh, Bala. These are the name of a person. And Mayiladuthurai, Chennai, Kumbakonam. These are the name of places. Door, plate, cup, chair and etc. These are the name of a thing. And what are these? These are nouns. Okay students, in this class we learnt vowels and consonants first. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels and also the most important letter to form a word. And we learned consonant. How many consonants are there? There are totally 21 letters. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are called consonants and also we found out their vowels and consonants from those words. Next we learned formation of words. A group of letters are called words and also we learned 2-letter words and 3-letter words. And we learned formation of sentence. What is meant by sentence? A group of words formed in correct order and which makes sense is called a sentence. At last we learned nouns. What is meant by noun? A name of a person, place and thing are called naming word and nouns. What is meant by noun? A name of a person, place and thing are called naming words or noun. Okay students, I hope you enjoy this class. Shall we conclude our class? See you in next class. Bye bye. Take care.